Hari Om. So let us start today's class with a prayer. Antarjyotihi Bahirjyotihi Pratyakjyotihi Paratpara Jyotireva Jyotihi Swayam Jyotihi Atma Jyotihi Shivosmyaham Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gururdevo Maheshwaraha Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. So today we are going to do a rotating lantern. Okay, so here is a sample. I'll just show you how it works. See here, this is your final model. Okay, so here you will place the lamp. You have to light the lamp and place it here. So once you complete the model, this lantern, it rotates like this because of the hot air. It will be rotating. Okay, so here I have done it manually now. See, I have rotated from my hand. So once we keep candle here, without my hand support, it starts rotating lanterns. Okay, have you all seen lanterns? Swanik, Satvik and Ved, you have not seen?
Ma'am, I've seen, ma'am.
You have seen. So for this Dasara festival, you can keep this lantern with you. Okay, with the dolls, Dasara dolls, you are going to keep at your house, right? So you can keep this type of lantern. Do you all have the materials required for this model? 2 paper cups and then one bendable metal wire like I have used here. And then cutter, paper or cardboard cutter. Okay, so be careful with this cutter. So these are the three materials, major materials we require. So everybody are ready with the materials? Vibhav? Hari Om Vibhav. Very good. So let's start. Let's start with the first. Take the paper cups. 2 paper cups you have, right? 2 paper cups of same size. Okay. So do you have a scale with you? Scale. Long scale or ಅಲ್ಲಿ scale ಇದೆ ಕೊಡ್ಮಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ So with the measurement, with the scale, with the help of the scale, you have to draw vertical lines on the paper cup like this. The width of the scale is the measurement. Okay. So both the sides you have to draw 2 lines, and then with that line as a measurement, again one more line on the pencil. Using pencil, you have to do the markings on one of the paper cups. Understood, right? See, give me that cup.
Mama, I didn't understand what we should do to the cup, ma'am. Can you just explain it again?
Yeah. See, first take the first paper cup. Okay.
Yes.
So keep your scale. Draw a straight line, vertical lines from the bottom of the paper cup to the so from bottom or throughout the from the open end and closed end. You start from the closed end till the open end. You have to draw a line in the pencil. Again, with the same draw both the lines using the scale. Okay, 2 lines. Then with that line as a measurement, again you have to draw the lines, vertical lines using pencil. Throughout the paper cup, you have to draw the lines approximately, not exact measurement. Okay. So just to do this, windows, the upper part of the lantern. See, after drawing those lines, you have to cut it. I'll show how to cut that. Okay.
Sudu Sati.
So till this point, you understood, right? First, take the paper cup using the scale. Draw vertical lines. Vertical lines from closed end to the open end. Start from closed end to the open end. And then in the same way, you have to draw it for the entire paper cup. Paper cup. Okay, do it. Do it parallelly. Now on. So that is the first step. Next step I'm going to explain.
So, okay, you draw this.
How?
Draw vertical lines, Satvik. From close, see, you have a paper cup which has a closed end as well as open end, right? Open end and close end. Start from the close end. Take a scale. Start from the closed end. Take a pencil and draw the line from closed end till the open end. In the same way, again you take that line as a reference, and then around the paper cup you have to draw the same vertical lines using pencil. Not exactly, sorry, using the scale, approximate distance you can draw it. So first you finish it, then we'll go to the next step. Okay. So we are going to do lantern. The student who joined now. So for him, I am explaining. It will be a repetition for the others also. So you have to bear with it. So this is our final model. Okay, for today's class. The lantern, rotating lantern. This you can keep it for the festivals. Okay, you can do 2 lanterns and keep it near the god. Or for Dasara festivals also you can keep it. Okay, so now we are going to do the upper part of the lantern. The upper cup. You have 2 paper cups, right? So take one. First we are planning to do the upper part, upper cup. Okay, of the lantern. So take one paper cup with the help of the scale. This I am repeating for the new joining. Now take the scale and from closed end of the paper cup to the open end, draw a vertical lines. Approximately draw the lines throughout the paper cup so that we can make a paper cut like this. Small windows, okay, for the lantern.
I'm done.
Very good. Let's wait for others also. Okay, Swane? Use, very good. You use it carefully, no? The cutter thing. Do it slowly. We have lot of time. Do it. But when you are cutting, be careful. It is very sharp. Maggie. Once everybody are done, we can go to the next step. Okay, you have to tell me Ved, Satvik, and Vibhav. If you are completed, then we can go to the next step.
जी I completed.
Ma'am, ma'am, ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, like how should we cut it, ma'am?
That I'll tell you now. See, once you draw the lines, I think, wait, everybody have completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes जी.
Now, see from this closed end, at least you have to leave 1.5 centimeters using the scale. From the closed end, 1.5 centimeter and draw a circle around this paper cup. Understood, right? From the closed end. That is the next step. Have vertical lines. Mahanta, ಒಂದು black sketch pen ತಗೋಬಮ್ಮ. 1.5 centimeter. ಕೊಡು ಮಾರ್ಕರೆ ಕೊಡು.
చేస్తే ఇక్కడ ఇక్కడ
See, you can, I'll do it with a sketch pen so that you can find out easily where to cut, where to draw and which part to, how to do the cuttings.
जी complete है.
Yes, good. So you have, did you draw this line, Vibhav? This part from the closed
जी.
end? Circle.
Yes जी. I
Good.
drew it.
Okay. So now you have vertical lines as well as this circle.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now I'll show you which part you have to cut. Okay. You all can see, right? Now you have two
ma'am.
vertical lines and 1.5 centimeter from the closed end. Correct. So the center of the, you have to mark a point at the center of this. This is a one rectangle, right? This is one rectangle. Mark a point at the center. This part you have to cut. Only this part from the center only till here, not till the bottom. Okay. So you have to leave at least 0.5 inch gap. 0.5. See, I'll do the shading in, see, this part you have to cut. For this triangle, for this rectangle, this part, for the next rectangle also, same thing. Bottom, you have to leave 0.5 centimeters. So like this, just like a windows, it acts as a windows. Do it, be careful when you are cutting, okay?
0.5.
So you all got it, no? Where to mark the center of this triangle, rectangle, you have to mark, and this shaded part, you have to cut it. And while cutting also, let it be very smooth, okay? Smooth agi kattadre, adu, the edges will be looking good, okay? Otherwise, and see, after cutting, you can do some designs also on the windows. With sketch pens, you can do some designs. This is the upper part of the lantern. See, you have to cut all the rectangles using the same measurement as I have shown here.
Ma'am, like this, ma'am?
1 second, wait. Let me spotlight you.
Ma'am, like this.
No, completely you have cut. That is actually bottom part. No, not completely. Only this much. Only small window you have to open like this. See? Only L shape. See, from the middle of the rectangle. See, this is a full rectangle. You all can see. This is the full rectangle, okay? ಒಂದು rectangle ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಅದು upper part, closed end ಹತ್ರ upper part middle of the rectangle ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಆ ಮಿಡಲ್ ಇಂದ ಈ ಬಾಟಮ್ ವರ್ಗು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0.5 ಬಿಡಬೇಕು. ಓನ್ಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಮಚ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕಟ್, ನಾಟ್ ದಟ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸೈಡ್ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. See, first one thing you have done, okay, leave it, Satvik, okay? The next rectangle, you do it like that. See, ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಗಾಳಿ ಆಚೆ ಹೋದ್ರುನು the air inside this the top upper part of the paper cup will not get heated. Okay, so it will not rotate properly. ತುಂಬಾನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ವೈಡ್ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಾಳಿ ಆಚೆ ಬೇಗ ಹೊಟ್ಟೋಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಗಾಳಿ ಒಳಗಡೆನೆ ಹೀಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಹಾಟ್ ಏರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಟರ್ನ್ ರೊಟೇಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಸ್ಲೈಟ್ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ, ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ? ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು ಇನ್ನು ಕ್ಲೋಸರ್ ವ್ಯೂ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಅರ್ಧ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಫುಲ್ ರೆಕ್ಟಾಂಗಲ್ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಸಾತ್ವಿಕ್. See, now I am rotating, you can see the difference.
Ma'am,
Yes, wait.
is this correct?
Wait, let me spotlight you. Correct. Very good. Yes. Now you can do some designs on the cup with the sketch pens. You can do your own designs. Use some attractive colors. Red, blue, green, orange.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Like this. Do your own design. Okay? Have you all seen hot air balloons? Hot air balloons ನೋಡಿದೀರಾ?
No, ma'am.
Not seen.
Ma'am.
Swanik, Satvik, Vibhav.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Ma'am, we have seen in mobile.
Oh, okay.
ma'am,
So,
I've seen in videos.
Oh, good. So, how does it work? You have any idea?
Yes.
Can you tell me how it works?
By the fire, if they pull that fire goes up and then it heat up and then it goes up.
Yes, correct. What happens when it heats? When the heat is produced, what happens?
That time the hot air balloon, air also will go in.
The air inside the balloon, what happens? Air which is present inside the balloon.
Don't know, ma'am.
Just think, no? See, if I light a lamp and keep my hand like this, covered my palm, what happens to my hand?
Heats.
Correct.
Yes.
Why?
Because the hot air is there.
Yes. No, because the air acts as a medium. Since you have air, right? The air is made up of what? It is made up of gases, right?
Yes.
What are those gases?
Helium.
Many gases. What are those? Nitrogen.
Oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide.
Correct. See, all those gases will be present. Correct. So, those gases are made up of molecules, atoms. Correct. What is oxygen? It is also
Oxygen is which we breathe.
So what is that? It is made up of tiny particles called atoms, electrons, protons, all those things. Correct. So what happens to the electrons when we light up the lamp here? What happens to the electrons? Electron starts moving. Electron starts moving. They collide with each other and the air becomes hot. Because of the hot air, the lantern, upper part of the lantern, that which we will be designing now, it will rotate. So which we can observe now, okay, after doing this model. So everybody are done with this?
Ma'am,
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good. Satvika, show me. Wait. Let me spotlight you. Wait, Satvik. Yes. So now you open this. Open the rectangles like this. Which one? See, like this. Small. Only half of the rectangle you have you have opened, right? Using the cutter.
yes, ma'am.
Now just upper part, slightly bend it. Okay. Slightly you have to bend. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Like this. After bending it, you can do some designs using sketch pens. That you can do later, or if you have time, you can do it now. Now, those who have completed that, you can do the lower part of the, so that's it with the upper part of the lantern. Okay, one paper cup. Keep it aside. And then for the lower part, you can start doing it. See, you have a metal, bendable metal wire, right? So that just I have pasted to the paper cup using sellotape. So you can use sellotape or glue gun. You can use that. So I have used sellotape. So you have to bend the metal wire in such a way that when you see this vertical part should come at the center, the diameter, the what do you call center of the circle, center of the, see this looks, the open end of the paper cup looks like a circle, right? Circle has a center point. So you will use the compass to draw the center, right? In the same way, this circle, this paper cup has a center point. So you have to bend the metal wire in such a way using plier, or if your wire is very flexible, you can bend it with your hands, with your fingers itself. Okay, so it should come to the center. One end you have to stick it with a sellotape. So that you have to do at the back side. See, for the bottom paper cup, first you will cut the window. You will draw a rectangle and cut a window. The other side, back side of the window, you will paste the bendable metal. I'll just spotlight, remove the others, and I'll spotlight myself so that you can have a better view of it.
Ma'am, is this correct?
Yes, that you can use for a bottom part. So the window where using that window, see, you will be placing, this is my candle. I have taken a small piece of little candle. I've used this measuring cap. You have that syrup measuring cap, right? You'll be having syrup at your home, and you can take that measuring cap. Then stick this candle on the measuring cap. So your window should be large enough to place this measuring cap inside this paper cup safely. Got it, right? See, you have to place the candle like this. So I'm just showing this so that you can decide that the bottom part of the paper cup should be a larger rectangle. The top one is very small rectangles. The bottom part of the paper cup should have a larger rectangle so that you can place this candle easily. See, because you will light the candle and place it. So you should have enough place to take this space here, enough space. If your rectangle is very small, then it will become very difficult, no, to take to place the candle. So this is the approximate measurement that you can implement it. So this is the bottom part of the lantern. And you understood, right? The bendable wire. It is in L shape. The long side and short side. The other side, you have to bend it with the help of your cutting plier, or with your fingers only you can bend it.
Ma'am,
Huh.
ma'am, is this much big of a candle? Should I cut
Hey,
it?
that much bigger is not needed. You just cut the candle, okay?
Ma'am,
Because
is this much enough?
that much is enough. Yes. Cut that into see your 2 inches. So you see, measure your index finger, or 1.5. See, this is 1 inch. The first line of 1 inch. Actually, I have taken 1 inch. See, if you have bigger one, if you don't, you need not keep the, better you have to stick it on the some type of cap.
Cup.
Plastic cap, yeah. Or else water bottles, Bisleri water bottle caps also you have, right? You'll be having, right? So that on that also you can place, so that it's very easy to place it inside, right? Because of that, you have to stick it. You can use that caps also. Water bottle caps. Bisleri or some use and throw water bottle caps will be there, no? For the on that also. See, this is just 1 inch. You look at this candle. It is just the length of this index finger, the first line of the index finger. See, if it is too long also, if it is too long also, then it will touch your metal wire here, and it will be, it will not be easy. And this cup also, it will this upper part of the paper cup will catch the fire. So let the height be very small, like 1 or 1.5 inch. So you should be very careful when you lighten this, and when you are placing inside this, and when you are doing this experiment, because you will be in front of the system, computer, or mobiles, right? So keep it away. First try it out. Later you can show it to me.
Ma'am, like, is this big of a opening okay?
1 second. That is bottom, bottom one, yes. You can see whether you are able to insert the cap. You have a measuring cap, right? Syrup cap. See whether you are able to insert it. Just check. No,
Should be little large.
then you cut it. So that is that is your measurement. If you are able to insert the measuring cap and the candle easily, then that is fine. Got it, na? Vibhav and who else? Swanik. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ?
Huh, ma'am.
I'm cutting the bottom cap.
Do it.
candle cut.
Yes, Satvik?
Ma'am, nothing, ma'am. I was talking to my mother.
Oh, okay.
Ma'am, should we cut the whole rectangle in bottom cap?
Ah, yes. The whole rectangle you have to cut and take it out, that piece. Okay, then it is not needed. That piece is not needed anymore. Like this.
Ma'am,
Yes, where?
is this correct?
1 second. Wait, I'll add spot. Yes, correct. Very good. Show me the rectangle part. Opening. Yes. Yeah, very good. Correct. Correct.
How much should
Now-
I cut in this?
Oh, that is too lengthy, Swanik. Ashton Bedama, cutting player in the car. See, I'll tell you one more thing. The ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಅಲ್ವಾ the bendable ವೈರ್ದು ಈ ಪೇಪರ್ ಕಪ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೈಟೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಾತ್ರ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸಿ ನಿಂದು ಬಾಟಮ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಕಪ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಕಪ್ ಅದೆಷ್ಟಿರತ್ತೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಾತ್ರ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ, ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾದ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ instead of cutting it using cutting player, I have just left it there itself because it will be at the back side, right? So it's okay. But if possible, ತುಂಬಾ ಲೆಂತಿ ಸ್ವನಿಕ್. ಮಹಂತ ಇದು ಚಾರ್ಜರ್ ತಗೊಂಬ, ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್.
బెండ్ ఉంది ఇక్కడ, ఇంకొక చూరు ఎక్స్ట్రా ఇడి పర్వాలేదు, అదేమో బెండ్ చేసిండే కదా, బెండ్
చేసకంతా ఈమెడికే
కరెక్ట్ గా ఉండాలమే. అది రెండు ఎంత ಇದ್ದ ಹೈಟ್ ಅಂತೇನಾ? ನಾನು ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
Ma'am, where should we join the bendable wire?
ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? See here. See the bendable wire, the rectangle part is there, no? Back side, exactly back side of that rectangle opening. This is a window, okay? So back side of the window you have to place it. And the this part, the longer line should be exactly at the center of this circle. This is a circle, right? From this view. So center of the circle, it should come. So that if you place the upper part of the cup, it will be at the center.
Ma'am, Ma'am, like when we put the candle, ma'am, should we stick this syrup cap to the cup, ma'am?
No, don't stick. Let this syrup cap be flexible, like you have to remove it, and see, when the candle melts, no, you have to replace that. You can replace that candle. For example, once you light this candle, and if you leave it for half an hour, this candle will melt. So if you fix the cap here, then what happens? It will be very difficult, right, for you to place once again. So let it be removed, easily undetached to this cap. Okay, don't fix it. Just fix the candle to the syrup cap using the candle, using this candle wax only. Okay. So if you once you light the candle, the wax will melt, right? That with the help of that wax itself, you can stick it.
Okay.
Got it? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಹೇಗೆ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ? ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್.
Yes, ma'am.
See, be careful when you are using the matchbox, candle and everything. ಕೈ ಬೆರಳು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಹಾಟ್ ಇರತ್ತೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಕೈ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಿದ್ರೆ ಕೈ ಸುಡತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಬಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಅದು ಎಲ್ ಶೇಪ್ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇದು?
ಹಾ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಎಲ್ ಶೇಪ್ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ನೋಡಿಲಿ, ಎಲ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಸ್ಪೀಕಿಂಗ್ ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಒಂದ್ಸಲ, ಒಂದ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್, ನಾ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಬೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಒಂದ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್.
ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀರಾ ಅದು ಹೆಂಗೆ?
ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಮ್ಮ, ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಈ ತರ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ವೈರ್ ಇರತ್ತಲ್ವಾ?
ಹಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಹಾ, ಈ ತರ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ವೈರ್ ಇರತ್ತೆ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇದನ್ನ ನೀ ಹೇಗೆ ಎಲ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಲಾಂಗ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಮೆಟಲ್ ವೈರ್, it should be the length, height of this metal wire should be the height, ನಿನ್ನ ಪೇಪರ್ ಕಪ್ ಹೈಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. the length of your paper cup. Okay, there you have to bend it. ನೋಡು, with the help of my thumb only I am going to bend it. ಹೀಗೆ one bend ಆಯ್ತಾ? the other bend is radius. ಈ radius of this paper cup, radius ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ವಾ?
ಮಿಡ್ಲ್.
ಹಾ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೀಗೆ ನೋಡಿ, ನಿಮ್ ಸಿ ಯುವರ್ ಬೆಂಡಬಲ್ ವೈರ್ should be of this shape. First L shape, then this is the radius of your opening mouth of the paper cup. ಇದು ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ? and then the length, ಈ ಲೆಂತ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾದ್ರೂ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. see, if the length is very long, then you can bend it. ಹೀಗೆ ಬೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಲೋ ಟೇಪ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು, ಹೀಗೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ this upper part. This is the radius and this is the length of the paper cup. ಈ ಪೇಪರ್ ಕಪ್ ಹೈಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆಯೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಬೆಂಡಬಲ್ ವೈರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್, ಈ ಪೇಪರ್ ಕಪ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್. ಹಾ, ಓಕೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡು. ಇಷ್ಟು ಬೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಲ್ವಾ? ಇದು ನೀನು ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ, ಎಲ್ ಶೇಪ್ ತರವರೆಗೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಆ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪೇಪರ್ ಕಪ್ ಹೇಗ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ದಿಸ್ longer L should be at the center of this circle and this is the radius. In a ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ part, this I can cut it with the help of a cutting plier, or else I can bend it and paste the cello tape.
ಸೊ ಹಿಂಗ?
ಹಾ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಹಾಗೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಲ್ವಾ, ಅದನ್ನ ಬೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡು ಪೇಪರ್ ಕಪ್ಗೆ, ಅವಾಗ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಹೀಗೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಸಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಪೇಪರ್ ಕಪ್, ದ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ವಿಂಡೋ. ನೋಡಿ, one side you have a window, right? for the paper cup. Exactly at the back, you are going to stick this metal wire. Correct, Satvik. One second. ತೋರ್ಸಿಗ
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್?
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಇವಾಗ ನೀನು ಬೆರಳು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ಯಲ್ವಾ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡು. ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡು. ಹಾ ಆ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಬೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಎಸ್ ವನಿ.
ಎಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಂಟಿಸ್ಕೊ.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಹುಷಾರು, ಕಣ್ಣು ಹುಷಾರು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್, ಆ ಶೇಪ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು. ಸರಿ ಇದೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಈ ಬಾಟಮ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಫುಲ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಅದ್ ಬೇಡ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ ಬೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊ ಅಷ್ಟೆ. ಬೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪೇಪರ್ ಕಪ್ಗೆ ಅಂಟಿಸ್ಬಿಡು ಹೀಗೆ. ಎಸ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್. See, this is extra part, mine also. It's not needed. So you can cut it with the cutting plier, or you can bend the wire and let it be there, no problem. Just stick the metal wire using cellotape.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್
Yes, Vani, correct. Very good. Correct. Cellotape. ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲ್ಯಾಂಪ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲೋಯ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್. Thank you. So be careful when you're lighting the candle.
Got it, thanks.
Wait a minute. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಲೈಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ನೋಡು.
ಒಂದ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್.
ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು.
ನೋಡಿ.
ಮಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನು ಅದಿನ್ನು see you have to adjust the wire before placing. ಆ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕದು ಇದು ಹೀಗೆ. see once you place the candle, don't touch the metal wire because ಅದು heat ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. because of the fire, the wire gets, the metal wire will be hot. Okay, see in this way the lantern rotates. You all can see here.
Wow.
Hey,
It's much.
you should not touch the wire when metal wire. ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆ. ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡು. अच्छा take your parents' help when you are planning to stick the candle to the syrup cap. When you switch off the lights, it will be beautiful. Lantern ನೋಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. Turns. Instead of using serial sets, the electricity, which works on electricity, you can use these type of lanterns during festivals. Yes, so Ved is also trying. Let's spotlight him. Wow, very good.
Okay.
Moving low.
Very good. Swanik.
Ma'am, mine is,
Yes.
ma'am,
Yes, Ved.
mine is moving slowly, but it's now stopped.
You check your the radius and it is where you have to bend the wire. The length is too long actually. See, the metal you should not be the metal wire should not be visible to the audience. So the others public. ಇನ್ನೊಂಚೂರು ವೈರ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ನ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಹೇಗೆ
But
ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ma'am, when we tried that, but it was burning.
ಓ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕಪ್ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. So you try with a bigger paper cut. Let us see if you have. Next time you can try that. Very good, Swanik. Yes. Try madama, Swanik. this also you bend a little bit the metal wire. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ bend ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ I think weights also will work. A metal wire, the upper part is there, no? Where that you can bend it. U shape. See, this upper part of the wire is there, no? That you can bend it. But it will be hot. Be careful. Use the cutting plier to bend it. First, take out the
Okay, ma'am.
candle.
Okay, ಹೇಳು.
G, mine is
Okay,
working.
Ah. Yes, Vibhav. Wow. See,
G,
Vibhav.
mine is working.
Yes. Wait. I'll add spotlight. Vibhav's, look at Vibhav's lantern. Very good. Yes, see, the gap should not be more. Sumer Mahan. See, the way you got it. The gap ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ದಷ್ಟು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ the air will escape so that it will not rotate properly. See, Vibhav's experiment, the gap is very less.
Yes.
So you understood the science behind that?
Ma'am, I cannot see Vibhav.
See, Vibhav's lantern you can see, right? It's rotating. Wait, I'll remove all the spotlights. I'll spotlight only Vibhav. You understood why it stopped the wave, at least? Why it
Yeah,
stopped
because it
rotating?
was very sharp.
Because the air was escaping, right?
Yes.
The air should not escape. The air inside that lantern will heat up and the molecules will start to vibrate. The electrons. Okay, bidu. So you understood the concept, right? Very good, Vibhav. Vibhav, just take a video and send it in the WhatsApp group so that others also they can try it out. Okay, good, very good. And Satvik also, Satvik, Ved, even you can try this Ved. You understood,
Okay,
right?
ma'am. Yes.
See, doing correctly is not the only thing. You have to try, just analyze why it's not working and how I can improve my, how I can make it working. Okay,
Ma'am.
good. Well tried, Ved. Very good. Swanik?
Thank you, ma'am.
Swanik, yours is also working.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you show it to us? No, is it rotating?
Ma'am, I have to put the candle.
Okay. Do a small video and send it to in the group. Okay. See, if you send the video clippings to the group, then we will consider that you are an active member of this group and you will be given many opportunities like that ISRO visit and all those will take you to some other places in the coming days. Okay. So you will have you'll have the acknowledgements, right? So like I have attended the class and I'm very active in this group. So please give me a chance. You can ask us. Okay, see, because there are so many children, even those who are not attending the class, they are asking us to enroll their kids for the ISRO visit. So first preference will be given to the kids who attend the class regularly and just experience the things, whatever we teach here, for them we'll give the first preference. So if you do a small video and post it in the group, or you can send it to me, I will post it in the group. Okay, send it to me personally, I'll post it in the group. So that whenever we plan for such visits, you people will get the first preference. Understood? So I think we'll end the session for today. You can all send me the video clipping, okay? And I will post it in the group. Good. Very nice. Yes, Satvik. Correct, Satvik.
Ma'am, but ma'am, I still didn't cut this, ma'am. But is this the correct way to cut it?
Which one? Upper part or bottom part? Upper part? No, that is not the correct way. See, upper part, you should cut only little, the half of the rectangle, L shape you have to cut. Vibhav, can you show it to Satvik? Yours? Upper part of the candle thing.
Ji, I have sent the video. I will show
Oh,
now
you have
also.
sent that? Okay, okay. I'll forward it in the group. Give me that. See here. Satvik, only one part of the rectangle. See, this is entire
Ji, I am
rectangle,
showing.
okay? Only you have to mark the midpoint at the close end and cut only a little bit. Only little bit opening should be there. Otherwise, not only. So look at the Vibhavs. See, only little bit opening should be there. Only then some amount of air will escape. If you cut the bigger part, you have to tell me what happens. All the air escapes. So it will not rotate. The lantern will not rotate. All the hot air escapes through that window. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಸಾತ್ವಿ? ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಾಳಿನೂ ಹೀಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಗಾಳಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಸ್ಕೇಪ್ ಆಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಹೆಂಗ್ ರೊಟೇಟ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ? ರೊಟೇಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಟೇಕ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಕಪ್, ಡೂ ಇಟ್. ಬರೀ ಅರ್ಧ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ. ಹೀಗೆ ನೋಡು, ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಬರೀ ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಬರೀ ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾತ್ರ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನೋಡು, ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಬರೀ ಇಷ್ಟೇ, ಬರೀ ಇಷ್ಟೇ. ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಟ್ರೈ ಇಟ್, ನೆವರ್ ಮೈಂಡ್. ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ ನನಗೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಕಳಿಸು. ಓಕೆ, ಗುಡ್. ಹರಿ ಓಂ. ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲ. Okay, so let us complete. Okay, Vibhav. Thank you, Vibhav. Yes. Thank you, everyone. Swanik, Ved. Hope you all enjoyed today's class. So let us meet for the next science toy model. It was very nice, right? This toy model.
Yes, Ji.
Good. So we'll close the session with a closing prayer. Asato ma sadgamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya mrityorma amrutangamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shantihi. Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Thank you so much. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. So we'll meet for the next month with another interesting toy model. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, Ved. Hari Om. Send me your video also to the group.
Okay, ma'am.
Good. Everybody have to send your videos. That will be the acknowledgement for you that you are actively participating anta. Okay. Hari Om.